Okay guys, I'm gonna show you how to get rid of the black screen of death on your 3DS. So first what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your game and your pin out and your SD card. My 3DS is old, so I have to use the tweezers to pull the SD card out. Come on, there we go. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna remove this back off, and you're gonna need a screwdriver so you're gonna remove these 4 bolts. And then you have your battery, and you have a bunch of screw holes around. So you're going to take the battery out. And then you have all these holes around it. So we're just going to start. I think we have all of them out. Let's just use the tweezers to pull them out the hole all the way. Now what you're going to do is you're just going to pry this back off. So it's going to split right there like that. And you got to be careful because there's strips for the back buttons, the left and right back buttons. So what you're going to do is you're going to have to pull this card off. Mine was already pulled off because I did this before. You're just going to pull it off and reset it because this is your Wi-Fi card, and what happens with the black screen of death is if you drop your 3DS or say, I don't know, like it has a hard impact, it's going to knock this card out of place, and that causes the black screen of death. So you're just going to reset that card, and then you're done. You're just going to put your 3DS back together, how you took it apart, and then you're done. So we're just going to go through a quick install. We're going to show you that it works. The battery fall out. Oh, it's on. See? It works. So that's it. Have a good day.